Thank you for joining me today for this demonstration of this new expert advisor called Midnight Blitz. This is the MetaTrader 4 demonstration. I just did a video on the MetaTrader 5 version. There are differences in backtesting these different platforms. MetaTrader 5, for example, you can backtest multiple pairs. And in a backtest with MetaTrader 4, you can only backtest one currency pair at a time. We're going to get right into this. I'm just loading the Euro Australian dollar. That's what I'm going to do. We're going to click every tick. Now I am using tick data. We're going to use a fixed spread of 30 points. Okay. The spread filter is actually set to 40 points. We're going to use a 30-point spread filter because most of the pairs will average out about there. And we're going to use tick data here. And we're not going to use visual mode because I want to show you the backtest very quickly over 2 months. So we're going to do January 3rd to February 27th. Keep in mind, we're not backtesting 20 pairs like I did in the MetaTrader 5 video. We're going to backtest just one currency pair, and we're going to get aggressive. So let's look at the expert properties here. What I want you to see, you click reset, you get the default settings. On this version, Midnight Blitz 1.5 for MetaTrader 4. This one actually has the use market orders instead of limit orders set true. So I told you to change it from false to true in the MetaTrader 5 video. In this one, it's already set to true. So we're going to leave that alone. We're going to keep it to use market orders instead of limit orders set to true. And this video is going to focus on market orders. We're going to go down to the symbols section. We're not going to add anything in here in a back test, but when you're live trading, I'm going to show you how to do this. You're going to just simply double click in this field here with those first 10 pairs. You're going to double click in the symbols field and paste, and you're also going to add a comma at the end of that, and then you're going to double click in the second 10 pairs, copy, and then double click in here and then go in the back. Make sure every symbol has a comma in between each symbol, and now you have pasted 20 pairs in there, and then you can go ahead and trade live. Trading live, when you first start using the expert advisor, I recommend using the fixed lot and use the 0.01 lot size until you get a feel for how it's trading, so you get used to it, until you start getting adjusted to if it's profiting or not. If you're not profiting the way you like, you don't want to jump right in with a heavy lot size. So if you have to make adjustments, then it's better to make adjustments on a small lot size. So let's go ahead and delete this, and we're going to just we'll click reset. We're just going to basically click reset here, but I am going to do a back test with an aggressive setting. We're going to click fixed lots, auto lots. We're going to change it to auto lots. We're going to change this 0.01 for every $1,000 balance. We're going to drop that down to $50, so we get an aggressive lot size for this. In the testing section, I'm just going to put $1,000 in it, and that's because I'm using a heavy lot size. Let's see what happens. We're going to click OK now and watch it trade. And if I start rambling, it's because I don't want to have any silence in the video. And let's see how this works out here. Now keep in mind, we're backtesting just one currency pair. In the MetaTrader 5 video, you'll see that I backtested 20 pairs at one time. So obviously you're going to see a much faster profit, which is more in line with live trading because of in live trading, you're going to be able to trade 20 pairs at one time. The backtest in MetaTrader 4, unfortunately, we can only do one pair at a time. But as you can see, I'm using market orders in MetaTrader 4 using the Euro Australian dollar. It's doing pretty good. Let's see how much more time is left on it. We're over 25% done already. And if you go to the results tab, of course, you can see what it's doing. The modify that you see here is actually a stop loss reduction that is going to reduce your stop loss over time. So it gets you out of a trade sooner than later. It's opening up aggressive lot sizes of 0.24 on each one of these trades. And it will continue to increase 0.25 as the profits grow. And it took a loss over here and then quickly returned in profit. And We're over 25% return. And let's see where we're going to get to. We're half done now. We are now at about a month into this with a 30%, almost a 30% profit. Let's see how far it gets. Remember, one currency pair so far. Let's see where we go. And we're going to get close to 75% here. And the reason why I'm stressing market orders is because we've been doing some live testing this week and found that the market orders are triggering more consistent profits, actually more trades that equal more profits. We added the spread filter in there too, so it doesn't push your take profit 15, 20, 25 pips away during a heavy spread session, especially when you're trading during these quiet low volatility times. You get some wide spreads there, so the spread filter will eliminate the getting that take profit pushed so far out of reach. All right, we finished. We're over 50% on just one pair in 2 months. Keep in mind, you're going to see a much more aggressive result backtesting in MetaTrader 5 because you're going to be running 20 pairs, and you'll get a much you'll see a much faster profit with normal trading with the 20 pairs. Well, like I said, we're over 50% in a couple months here with just one pair. The report says here we have a 99.9% tick quality. I am using Tick Data Suite for this as well. And also we have a drawdown of just 5.49 relative drawdown, and that's pretty good. $571 profit on $1,000. So I hope this helps you understand how to use this in both backtesting and live trading. If you have any questions, join the Telegram group and ask me. I'm always available. Happy trading. Hope this helps.